at that island way back there. It's all about the views, man. It's all about the views. That's what I do it for. Is that a Beamer? He didn't even wave. What the heck? Another Beamer rider didn't even wave? It's crazy. I love these back roads, man. I could come back here and rep all day long. Nice sweeping corners. I've also been running my camera. I've been running it without stability because, you know, I like the way it looks, you know, especially with ND filters. You know, if you're running ND filters and you use stabilization, it'll give you a jitter effect when you hit little bumps and you move your head, but you see there's no jitters and it's all like natural, like head movement. I just like the way it looks in post. So if you run ND filters, I would recommend stabilization on low or none. I'm currently in Shako Bottom. Oh, dude went down. Oh, wow. I'm going to help him out. You good, bro? You straight? You don't even call nobody? Alright, man. I'm just checking on you, gang. I don't think he want to talk to nobody. Hey, try to help gang out. And people ask me, like, why I don't ride in the city. That's exactly why right there. Try to help them out. I hear fire and rescue. Oh, there they go right there. Damn. I mean, you know, I get that you're upset, bro, that you dropped your bike, but people are trying to check on you. You're not even saying anything. You're like ignoring everybody. I'll be upset too. Don't get it twisted. You got people trying to make sure you're alright, and you just taking it out on them. Don't take it out on them. Chances are, you did something you did. What is this guy doing? This thing I've been sitting away from me for forever. Yo? Bruh, I just... How'd that tune feel?
It's alright, I'm gonna get another one, but I just wanted to get some shit so I can get on the road. And like, when I put my stacks on this shit, I might have to get a whole nother tune.
It's just, but that's not a full exhaust?
Nah,
It's slip on.
yeah.
That just sound crazy. That just, for a slip, that just sound crazy. Let's give him a little wheelie. Let's give him a little. Hey, give him just a little. Oh man. you right. Who is connecting to my car though? Hey, Dane, turn around. Oh. Hey, we're gonna break off at the 7-Eleven over here. I don't know if they got the memo or not. I'm about to save them. But if they kept going, I'm about to just save them. Let me see something real quick. Yeah. Oh, I put that car hard, man. Ain't no thing, bro. For sure, for sure. You ready, bro? I got RSV4 cam out on the RSV4 brand new. And boy, does she sound good. I can tell you that. Been a little minute since I did a stand-up. Let's see what a stand-up looks like right now. Felt good though. It felt real good though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. See if we can make this green. It looks like at the moment that's what we're gonna do. Looks like at the moment we are gonna make this green. 33 degrees. 33 degrees lean. Rolling on the highway. Oh man. I started coming over there. If you want to start turning it up, we can do that for sure. The views. That's what it's all about right here. Got a cramp in my leg. Stay. Hey, Cam. Cam, stay trooper.